So today we're going to be making a random recipe that we got from school. Not from school specifically, but by word of mouth from someone. So what you want to do is get a pot and then unwrap your chocolate. And then just sort of assault your chocolate with a knife. Pay off your legal fees. And then put the chocolate in a pot. Now, there's supposed to be a microwave, however, I misremembered and I realized, oh no, I don't want to microwave chocolate for 10 minutes and then set my house on fire. Stir, just keep stirring it, keep going. Now, put your cream in a bowl and assemble the mixer. It's goop time. Realize that chocolate isn't working best, and just keep mixing, it'll be fine. Okay, now get some non-brand specific plastic wrap, other brands are available. Struggle to put it on in the correct fashion of jam it down onto the surface of your chocolate cream thing. Put it on properly, and chill it for about 18 years. Okay, so add your cream and mix. That's it. The recipe's done. I don't know what this is. Please help me.
Okay, let's try it. It's dripping everywhere. It's like caramel, plain caramel, nothing else.